Hey, this is Johnny Beane, and I've got something very cool to show you guys today. The new HexHider, available from FUTONE.com. It's a 3mm wrench with a magnet. Now, we've all used these wrenches for years. Use it for the locking nut. You know, they're always getting lost. This thing has a magnet. So it hooks onto the back of your headstock, sticks to your tuners. It's not going anywhere. Look at that. Now, unless you have some kind of bolt, for one of these, it's gone. It's on the floor. But the new HexHider, available from FU-tone.com, has a magnet. Look, even in the picture, you can see the magnet. It's not going anywhere. Amazing. All right. Check it out, you guys. The new HexHider, available from FU-tone.com. Get the 2-pack. All right. Subscribe, like, tell your friends. Johnny Beane TV.